Hi guys, I just got my hair done. I haven't introed the vlog yet today, but welcome to the vlog. I think I got a few clips this morning of like my coffee, and I was rushing because I accidentally slept a little too late and I had an hour drive to my hair appointment. That's a little dramatic. It was like 45 minutes, but yeah, my hair looks so good. I got 2 more extensions put in because I think my hair's been falling out. Not my actual hair falling out, but like my extensions were just shedding so much. So I just got 2 new ones that I had left over put in, and it looks freaking good. But it is 2 o'clock. I'm about to head home. I have so much work to do, but I'm just gonna take you along for the rest of the day, and tomorrow we'll see how long this vlog will go on. But I'm excited to be vlogging again because you guys like it. But yeah, can't wait to drive 45 minutes because ever since I moved, I'm now farther away from her, but it's fine. I am back home now, and I have a few packages that I want to open. Yeah, I'll do a little haul, but before I forget, I want to show you guys my new jewelry pieces that I got. I'm in love with them. If you've been watching me for a while, then you know my favorite jewelry brand is Luisa. I'm obsessed with them. I have my friends and family obsessed with them as well. And basically 90% of my jewelry collection is Luisa. I just love them. They have such timeless and also trendy pieces for a very affordable price, and they are very sustainable, which I appreciate. They also don't tarnish. Like, I wear my stuff in the shower, in the pool, in the lake, in the ocean when I work out, and it honestly does not tarnish or turn. It's such good quality. You can get up to 30% off their website this month. So I will have a link in the description box if you guys want to check them out. I highly, highly recommend. Like I said, their quality is unmatched. Every single piece of jewelry is humidity and strength tested. They're long-lasting, tarnish-resistant essentials that you can feel good about wearing. They do fast and free shipping to the US and also affordable worldwide shipping. All their products also have a 2-year warranty, which is amazing. And they also do free exchanges. So I got 3 new pieces to show you guys that, like I said, I'm obsessed with. And I also thought these might be good Christmas gift ideas, either for you guys to gift your friends and family, or maybe for you to even ask for Christmas from somebody. I usually gift my friends and family Luisa for Christmas, and I'm definitely doing it this year as well. Actually, one of my friends specifically asked for Luisa jewelry, so I'm definitely gifting it to her. They also have several jewelry bundles for great prices that would make great stocking stuffers for somebody. I just think it's a very thoughtful and unique gift for any occasion, but especially for the holidays. I'm gonna zoom you guys in. So this first necklace right here is the Lore Mother of Pearl, and it's a little heart, if you guys can see. Oh my gosh. I have every single piece of jewelry that is in the shape of a heart from Luisa. I love that they have so many different hearts and so many different collections of hearts on their website, and I think now I own them all. But I also love Mother of Pearl. I just think it is so timeless, stunning, simple, and so perfect. And then this one right here below it is the letter necklace, and obviously I got a T because my name is Tori. But again, just really dainty, simple. This would be a great gift to give somebody this Christmas. Everybody loves little letter necklaces, or at least I personally do. And then last item that I got is a pair of silver hoops. These are called the Tia Medium Silver. I got these because I don't own any silver earrings really. And if you know me, you know I'm definitely a gold jewelry girl. Like, that's all I wear. But for certain occasions, I find myself needing silver. Like, I have some tops that have like silver accents or silver details, like just stuff like that. So I thought I would get a pair of silver earrings, and these are such good quality. I really like them. And these are not heavy at all. I hate heavy hoops. These are absolutely perfect. I'm obsessed. Oh my gosh. I love them. I might have to completely convert to silver jewelry now because I think they look really good. I'm not doing that. I like gold, but thank you so much to Luisa for partnering with me on this video. Don't forget, guys, to check the link in the description box so you can get up to 30% off of their items for this holiday season. Like I said, perfect stocking stuffer, perfect gift to give somebody this year or ask for. I promise you won't regret it. They're the best. I love Luisa. And look how cute the little pouches are that they come in. I love. Great for traveling. All right, let's get into my other packages. I do have a Lulu one, but I don't think I'm gonna show that because I got a haul to film. But we will get into this other stuff. This first one I think is Revolve. Revolve sent me these items and I am so freaking happy, like I could cry. But I am gonna film all this stuff today for another video. So if you guys wanna see this on, then stay tuned. But I will still show you guys and link everything in this video. But this is from the brand More to Come, and I think it's called the Ruffle Tie Top. This is what I'm most excited about. I think it is absolutely fabulous. I got this in an extra small. I can't get over it. Look at the sleeves. I have a top similar to this from Princess Polly, but it's a little see-through and it's green. And I just cannot freaking wait to wear this. Are you kidding? And then I also got this top. This is also from More to Come. This is in an extra small. No, extra small. Oh, it goes like this. It's like a little satin champagne one shoulder top that wraps. Like I said, you guys will be able to see better when I try this stuff on, but so fab. I love this, especially for the holiday season. Like that might be my Thanksgiving top. This is a skirt and it looks tiny, but hopefully it'll fit. This is from, there's not a tag on this one. Okay, I don't know what brand this is, but I'll have it linked down below. I got it in an extra small, but I think it'll work. This is like a little leather skirt and it's got a slit. I like this because it's like a patent leather. It's like shiny. So sexy. And then this top is from NBD. I also really like this brand. In an extra small, and it's like this little white puffy sleeved bodysuit. Guys, this is so cute. I love the neckline on this. I love like square necklines. And these sleeves, like, are you kidding me? I'm gonna feel like a princess. Stop. This is from Super Down. I actually own this top in 2 different colors. So now I have 3. It's a little corset top and it's like a satin material. I got this in a extra small and it's strapless. It's got like clasps all down the front. I love this top. I have it in burgundy and a really pretty emerald shade. And I just think, again, perfect for the holidays with like a little jacket over it. So stunned. And it's kind of cropped, but on me, like I can also tuck it into pants and it looks like a bodysuit. So I love. Thank you so much, Revolve. I still can't fathom that I even work with them. Like I'm so thankful and grateful, and it wouldn't happen if it wasn't for you guys. So thank you guys. But I will have all these items linked in the description, and I also have them linked on my Revolve favorites list for winter 2023. And it just makes it a lot easier for you guys to shop through that list. But I will also have them individually linked as well. Also random, but from my hair salon today, I got this hairspray because I was out of hairspray and I don't even know what brand of hairspray to get, but I like this brand that my hairstylist sells. It's called Design Me, and this is the 3-way hairspray, Hold Me. It's got light, medium, and high hold with just a twist. Yeah, you basically can twist the nozzle and decide if you want medium, light, or heavy hold. So it's really cool. Anyways, I also am missing a package. I just realized. So I might have to go back down to the mailroom later. But this one is from, I think, Skims maybe? Yep, Skims, love it. Oh my gosh, look you guys, it came in these little boxes. How cute. There we go. I got 2 of the little, I think it's like the Hotel Shine cami sleep sets. I got this in an extra small, but it looks kind of big. This one's in this like really pretty powdery blue shade. And then these shorts, again, a perfect Christmas gift for like one of your girlfriends or something. Oh, this is so cute. I just cannot wait to wear this to bed and feel like I have my life together. I love Skims sleep sets. Like it's literally all I wear to bed nowadays. And then I also got the black one. And they also have like a really pretty like honey shade on there, but I'm too pale for that. So I got black and blue. I couldn't decide which color to get, so I just got both. I didn't need both though, but that's it for my haul. I'm missing like 2 packages, so I'm gonna have to go back down there later because that's not good. Hopefully I find it. Okay, I'm gonna clean all this up. I might make a snack, I'll show you guys, because I'm getting kind of hungry, but I have some work to do, and then I'm going to dinner tonight at like 7. It's like this hot chicken place that my friend wants to take me to. I haven't been, and he's been raving about it, so I'm like, okay, we'll go. So, gonna do that, so I can't fill up too much, but I do need to eat a snack. Snack break before I get back to work. I'll show you guys my go-to snack right now. So I got these from like a local like market situation. So I don't know if you can find these exact ones, but I basically just mix like 2 different types of like trail mixes. This one's spicy, but also kind of sweet. And then this is like cheesy. So I mix these in a bowl and then I add like some chocolate and it's so freaking good. My favorite is the spicy one. I used to buy a really similar one off of Amazon in bulk years ago. So, and then I add some of this. And then some crunch, just for like a little bit of chocolate. I don't do much though. It's like my go-to snack right now when I need like something like savory and sweet, but don't want to fill up. Okay, I'm gonna eat this, watch some TV, and then get back to work. I'm gonna charge you guys because my camera's dying. This is a behind the scenes of filming my collective hauls. It's just so much stuff everywhere. Hi guys, it is the next day. I just got back from a wax appointment and I'm about to make some lunch. So thought I'd start the vlog off today. I look terrible, don't look at me. I stopped vlogging last night because after I filmed, I went to dinner and I got like a clip. I'll insert it. It was this like Nashville hot chicken place. It was really good. But anyways, I have a game to go to in a few hours with 3 of my girlfriends and it's gonna be really fun. So I'm gonna make some food. I'm gonna make avocado toast. I've like perfected my recipe for it. So you need sriracha, if you like spice, the bagel seasoning, which honestly, if you don't have it, it's sesame seeds, sea salt flakes, dried minced garlic, dried minced onion, black sesame seeds, and poppy seeds. So, and then crushed red pepper for more spice. So we're gonna toast some sourdough bread. I don't know why I'm literally like doing a cooking video. This is not hard at all. Can you guys even see what I'm doing? Toasting the bread. And I have this little avocado knife that I got from like Crate and Barrel forever ago, but sometimes I don't really like it. But it's got a knife, something to take the pit out, and this to like spread it, or like smash it. I don't know. Hopefully this avocado is still good. It looks kind of ripe. Ooh, no, she's good. Dang it, I got avocado on my freaking sleeve. Some of it looks brown, so we're gonna scoop that part to the side. One of them is slightly burnt, but it's fine. And you can season it like in the bowl, but I like to put it on my toast first. Just personal preference, I guess. And I used a whole avocado for this, about medium size. And you get that. And you can literally add whatever you want to this. Obviously, I like it this way. You can add an egg, you can add like sprouts, arugula, but just drizzling some olive oil because I love olive oil. Then we're gonna do the bagel seasoning. Put way too much on that one. Now the red pepper. I love spice. And then I do like a little sriracha. And there you have it, folks. That's my avocado toast. I'm gonna sit down, eat this, watch Alex Earl's new podcast, and then I will check in with you guys later. So it is a little while later. It is 3:48, and I just did my makeup. I'm so pale right now. Like, it's really bad. But I'll show you guys my outfit. I just went with something super casual because it's gonna be cold, but it's not cold right now because obviously the game's outside. Well, not obviously. I didn't even tell you guys what game I'm going to, but going to a soccer game. But yeah, so I just went with this jean jacket that I've probably haven't worn in 2 years, and then a long sleeve underneath with leggings and some sneakers. But I want to give you guys a few updates on the apartment. My dad's coming over here tomorrow and he's gonna hang some curtains. I got some blackout curtains for my bedroom. They're gonna be white. He's gonna hang my "It Was All a Dream" sign right there. Probably hang those mirrors. What else? Nothing changed over here, I don't think. I did get a new desk and chair situation. Hung that picture. The chair's from All Modern. The desk is from Home Depot. I love it. So cute. It's like a buccal material. I really like it. And I'm gonna get an iMac to have as a little home office. These are my dad's tools and a random bowl. Here's my shelf right now. I'm changing it. I ordered a bunch of new decor because I hate the way this looks. And then here's this little corner. Don't know if it's staying like this, but I had this in my old place. I did the bar cart. Let me know if you have any suggestions for this. I have this mirror hung right there. I don't really like these flowers, but I don't want to keep buying real ones. Somebody got me those over there, but they're dying. And then here's the guest bedroom, aka filming room. Just have my clothing rack. Don't know if I'm gonna keep those bags there. Have this mirror, this random chair. Don't know if that's staying. All that isn't staying. That's just stuff I'm storing in here. That's where I keep my purses, my vanity. And yeah, I also got built-ins for that closet, or like little racks. So my dad's gonna do that. And in my main closet as well, we got like a built-in. Hung that picture. I didn't keep a lot of the pictures from my old apartment just because I felt like the designer ones were cringy. So literally the only designer ones I kept were Prada and that Chanel right there. What else? I really think that's, oh, and I hung that. And these pictures in my hallway. I think I got those off Amazon. I'll link them down below. Should I leave them like that, or should I push them closer together and have more space on the sides? What do you guys think? Also got that up there. Just like little small things. It's coming together. Might get a rug for in here. Might get an accent chair for over there. Need to get patio furniture for sure. But it's looking pretty good. Jordan's picking me up, and then Michaela and our other friend is gonna meet us at the game a little bit later. They had to get off work early for this because it's like an earlier game, but it's like a huge game. So that's why we're all going. But yeah, I'm just gonna chill until Jordan gets here, and then I'll try and vlog a little bit. Hi guys, I am coming on here to end this vlog because I suck and I stopped vlogging. Literally, I think the last thing you guys saw was Thursday, and I didn't vlog any of the game or what we did after because, I don't know, I was just around so many people and didn't want to like video and stuff like that. But yeah, and then Friday I had to do some behind the scenes work, stuff like that. I had a busy weekend, but yeah, sorry if this vlog was boring. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to check out Anna Luisa. I'll have a link in the description box where you guys can get up to 35% off, which is such a good deal. I'm getting back into the swing of vlogging. Please be patient with me, but I'm getting there, and I'll have many more fun and up and coming vlogs like you guys have no idea. I'm so excited about future content and just things that are happening in my life right now. So much fun stuff, I promise. Just be patient, please. But yeah, I love you guys so much, and I will hopefully see you very soon in my next one. Bye guys.